So RUDY'S started in a little town right out of San Antonio, Texas, and they're all over now. But I tell you, when I first visited my brother here in Austin a few years back, he took me here for breakfast, and I said, first place we're going is RUDY'S. So I'm so glad we made it here. And I'll tell you what, I wasn't disappointed. As Alright guys, I'm here in Texas. Finally made it to Texas. Boy, did we have some traveling issues getting here. Portland got slammed with a huge snowstorm. It was just unbelievable how it took us 3 days to get here. So we are going to have to cut our trip a little short this time here in Texas. As much as we wanted, we were going to do a full tour of all the barbecue we could go to, but we're still going to go to a couple places. And the first place here, first hour that we made it, we went to RUDY'S, and I'm telling you, I wasn't disappointed. Amazing as always. Alright guys, made it to RUDY'S, and I can't believe how this food looks amazing. Brisket tacos is what we're having today, and it comes with all the fixings, salsa, all the goodies. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So this is a breakfast taco, and let me show you what it looks like here. So we got some fresh brisket, some scrambled eggs, and then we have a choice of salsas. And I got a massive cup of coffee. Oh, perfect. What a way to start my day in Texas. All right, we'll see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna try these tacos. So I added their pico de gallo and their red salsa to my taco. And it's got scrambled eggs. Take a look, it's got scrambled eggs, brisket, and I put the pico de gallo and the salsa on it. So yeah. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. This looks so amazing. The smell of the barbecue alone. Let's take a look. Wow. That's scrambled eggs on steroids. That is so delicious.
Wait, we didn't wait. We ate ours already. What's taking you so long?
Oh my gosh, I gotta go back to this. I will see you guys in a bit. So, RUDY'S started in a little town right out of San Antonio, Texas, and they're all over now. But I tell you, when I first visited my brother here in Austin a few years back, he took me here for breakfast, and I said, first place we're going is RUDY'S. So I'm so glad we made it here. And I'll tell you what, I wasn't disappointed. As always, we got to go to RUDY'S. All right, we'll see you guys in a few minutes. We're going to go back to my brother's house, and we're going to go see make some plans for the day. We had to cut everything short, like I said, but we'll be back. All right, and oh, by the way, welcome to Jeffrey's Adventures. Just got here, Stiles Switch BBQ. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to share this experience with you. The brisket, oh look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And then this big piece of meat coming off of, look at the size of that beef rib that came, oh my gosh, delicious. And then we're gonna have some potato salad and some baked beans with this. And of course, Texas toast, couldn't do with it. And fresh pickles. All right, way to go. All right, I'm gonna get it organized and I'll share it. Be right back. All right guys, trying the brisket with that sauce. Wow. Amazing. All right, try the baked beans. These are pinto beans. Man, I love the pepper flavor in that. That's outstanding. And well, of course, gotta have this potato salad. Oh, I like the dill.
We got those wings too. They're gonna pick those wings.
Oh
right
wow,
there.
look at those.
They smoke them and then flash fry them right there. Best wings in town.
Wow, we are in heaven, barbecue heaven. Oh, I gotta do that barbecue. There you go. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's just explain how they eat this here. So you take some of the bread and the onions and some pickles, and then a little bit of brisket, and then you have to have some of this house-made sauce, which is mustard, and you put it on your bread. Just a little bit of squirt there. Then when you put your brisket in the bread, then you dunk it in the sauce. And you eat it that way. So I'm gonna give that a whirl. If I can do that all on the film. Let's see if I can. Oh wow, look at that brisket. So juicy. Alright, so I've got pickles. I've got some pickles. I've got onion, brisket, and it's mustard. Now I'm going to dip it in the sauce here. Let's give it a whirl. So fresh. So amazing. Wow. Barbecue yum. Amazing. So I'm going to try this rib. It's a beef rib. Now look at the size of this bone. Can you see that? And that's a piece of meat. Look how juicy that meat is. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this. There's no way about keeping yourself clean for this. So let's give it some butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like prime rib butter. That's the way I'd describe that. It's so juicy, it just melts in your mouth. You don't need a knife for this. You just pull it right off. Look at this. Look at the meat. It just comes right off. Isn't that just amazing? Oh, it's salty and pepper. It's got all the flavors. Oh, the smoke is so amazing. It's too bad it was such a short trip, but this rib, I think, is my favorite out of all the meat. The rib has, it reminds me of smoked prime rib.
Yeah.
Smoked prime rib is so rare, and this is amazing.
Let me look at that again.
Look at it, just comes off the bone. It's just so juicy.
Did you like this? Did you like this mustard?
That mustard is amazing. Yeah.
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah, amazing. Some of the best barbecue I've had in a long time.
So you like Stiles Switch then?
Yeah, it's amazing. I'll be back.
Awesome.
All right, guys, came back after that barbecue. I'm gonna say this much: that was fantastic barbecue. I can't wait to share. This is just, I know, a few weeks away, but I'm gonna put it on my Instagram now so you guys can see what I had. Oh my gosh, that was so amazing. Anyway, so tomorrow we are heading to Allure the Seas, and we're driving down from Austin, Texas, down to Houston to Galveston. And so we thought we'd stop at another place we like to go to, and we'll do that on the road tomorrow on our way there and have some breakfast. All right, guys, until then, welcome to Jeffrey's Adventures. Here we go. We're gonna have an amazing time. I can't wait to share. I hope you enjoyed my segment of the barbecue. I love my barbecue. Only in Texas. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys, we are at Buc-ee's in Texas. Yeah, my brother, they're taking us to the port today, so how exciting. Anyways, let me take you around and show you what the sights are inside Buc-ee's. It's pretty cool. All right, see you in a sec. Alright guys, got all the fixings, got my cup of coffee, got my breakfast sandwich. Alright, time to hit the road. I'll bring you along. See you in a minute. Alright guys, made it to the cruise port and we're early, so we're gonna go check in. And what a beautiful terminal, super easy to get in here. We'll see what's gonna happen when we get in these double doors over here. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we are checking in already. We'll see what's going to happen when we get up at the top of this escalator. I'm sure it's just a waiting area, but very seamlessly easy, very simple. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, made it to our zone. We're zone 1, so we're going to be on the ship here shortly. We're waiting it out. We'll see you in a minute. Mom's checked in and we are headed to the gangway. My favorite part of the cruise, if you don't know, it's my bubble moment. It's those moments that only happen once on a cruise, and it's the most exciting part of a cruise is getting on a ship and walking the gangway. I love sharing that moment with you all, and we do it all the time, but the feeling never goes away. So that's why I like it. All right, guys, here we go, walking the gangways right now. is super cool. We went to the Diamond Lounge, and we are sitting down, and we have the seat. Oh my gosh, take a look at the view I have from here. So this is Broadway, and Broadway we haven't even gone to see yet. So we had to come to the Diamond Lounge and check it out. Look at that. Isn't that something? Here he goes.